Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Seafood Made Simple with 92.7 WOBM as we feature some of the great local seafood places here in Ocean and Monmouth counties. Today we have Swordfish from local 130 Seafood. They're right there at 1305 Memorial Drive in Asbury Park. We're going to be doing a couple steaks. We're going to be doing some skewers. So today, Seafood Made Simple, it's all about the swordfish. So we'll get cooking here in just a minute. All right, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to cook the swordfish steaks. And this is from local 130 Seafood in Asbury Park. We're going to marinate we did marinate the steaks. Lightly grease the pan with a little olive oil. We're cooking them both sides about 6 to 7 minutes on high heat on each side, and we should be good to go. Okay, now we're pan frying the skewers, a little salt, pepper, and Old Bay, lightly oiled. The pan, high heat, 6 to 7 minutes on each side for the swordfish skewers, and they're going to be good.